What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another pack opening. We are going to be opening up a full booster box of evolutions. Let's just go ahead and get this guy open. This will be 3, I think. And we are trying to see if we can pull a holo or a reverse Charizard. Machoke, Potion, Maintenance, Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix, Fire Energy. Might have been 4. Actually, no. Nope, that was right. A reverse Tangela. And a regular rare Starmie. Super Potion, Brock's Grit, Maintenance, Tangela, Vulpix, Fire Energy, Voltorb, Charmander, Reverse Machop, and a regular rare Farfetch. Charizard Spirit Link, Kakuna, Full Heal, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu, Staryu, Onix, a Reverse Farfetch'd, and Mega Blastoise EX. That is pretty nice. It's in fairly good condition. It's a little bit up there, but it's not bad. And with the second card that I would want to try and get will be the Charizard, the Mega Charizard full art as well. So hopefully one of those 3 we can pull. Charmeleon, Professor Oak's Hint, Nidorino, Pikachu, Staryu, Onix, Weedle, Machop, a reverse Nidoran, and a regular rare Dugtrio. Energy Retrieval, Nidorino, Colorless Energy, well, Special Energy, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, ooh, a reverse Charmeleon, and a regular rare Starmie. Okay, Special Energy, Coughing, Kakuna, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, a Reverse Magmar, and Mega Blastoise EX Full Art. Yo. Yeah, there's some whiting at the top there, but it'll probably be maybe like an 8, maybe. Is this gonna be like a Blastoise box? Well, he is right here, so. And little Charizard's down there. But Venusaur is on the left-hand side there. Okay, Super Potion, Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirit Link, Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, a Reverse Weedle, and a regular rare Arcanine. Either Venusaur Spirit Link, Metapod, Charizard Spirit Link, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, a Reverse Diglett, and a regular rare Raticate. Poliwhirl, Revive, Slowbro Spirit Link, Drowsy, Staryu, Metal Energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, a Reverse Growlithe, and a regular rare Electrode. Pokedex, Potion, Magmar, Metal Energy, Growlithe, Ghastly, Charmander, Rattata, a Reverse Grass Energy, and a Holo Mew. That's pretty sick. Okay, let's see. Haunter, Blastoise Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, Vulpix, Darkness Energy, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, a Reverse Coffin, and a regular rare Dugong. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7 packs left on the left-hand side. Any form of Charizard I would like. Porygon, Full Heal, Poliwhirl, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Staryu, a reverse Charizard Spirit Link, and Pidgeot EX Full Art. Sweet. Oh, that one is a little warpedy. If you can. But as long as it's not like terrible condition, then it's fine. Pidgeot Spirit Link, Metapod. Ooh, Secret Rare Imakuni's The Duo. I'll stick the Secret Rares right there next to the reverses and in between the Ultra Rares and the whatever. Caterpie, Poliwag, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Reverse Caterpie, and a regular rare Beedrill. We're getting down to the last couple of packs on the left hand side. Switch, Nidorino, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Pikachu, Ponyta, Nidoran, Vulpix, Darkness Energy, a reverse Metapod, and a regular rare Mewtwo. I believe we have 1, 2, 3, we have 4 more packs on the left side. Please, one form of Charizard. That's all I'm asking for. De-Evolution Spray, Pokédex, Porygon, Water Energy, Growlithe, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, a reverse Magikarp, and a regular rare Farfetch'd. Come on, Charizard, or Mega Charizard Y-Pack. Give us the goods. Kakuna, Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, Growlithe, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, Poliwag, a reverse Magnemite, and a Venusaur EX. See, if we get a Charizard, then we would have pulled all 3 starters. But we have time yet. We have time. Just sit back and relax. We have 2 more packs. Okay, Maintenance, Switch, Magmar, Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Magnemite, a reverse Electabuzz, and a holo Magneton. It's pretty cool. Yeah, the holos are actually pretty nice in this set. See how the little like stars and everything in the background there? Okay, last pack on the left side. I think I'm going at a decent pace here. Haunter, Brock's Grit, Slowbro Spirit Link, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Magnemite, Water Energy, a reverse Kakuna, and a regular rare Starmie. Okay, off to the right hand side. The first half was actually pretty solid. Oh, not that way. There we go. Venusaur Spirit Link, Potion, Metapod, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, a Ninetales Break. That's pretty cool. And another regular rare Mewtwo. Go ahead and sleeve up the break. So far, only one of these secret rares. Come on, right hand side of the box. Be just as good as the left hand side. Potion, Maintenance, Poliwhirl, Onix, Magikarp, Fighting Energy, Staryu, Tangela, a reverse Electrode, and another regular rare Starmie. I kind of forgot there actually were breaks in this set. Switch, Machoke, Full Heal, Growlithe, Machop, Nidoran, Ponyta, Drowsy, a reverse Rattata, and a regular rare Arcanine. Oh, you guys are stuck together. What are you doing? Okay. Kakuna, Full Heal, Machoke, Ponyta, Drowsy, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, a reverse Vulpix, and a regular rare Raticate. Haven't gotten a hit in a bit. Like an ultra rare hit, not like a hollow or a break card. The last one I think actually was that. Oh no, it was that the Venusaur was the last one that we had gone. Kakuna, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Blastoise Spirit Link, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, Psychic Energy, Pikachu, Reverse Poliwhirl, Mega Slowbro EX. That shine and that gold border too. Now this side should start popping off. I hope. Okay, Nidorino, Special Energy, Charizard Spirit Link, Psychic Energy, Pikachu, Growlithe, Machop, Nidoran, Reverse Machoke, and the Hollow Hitmonchan. Okay, let's see. I think we could get 3 more EXs. Or 2 more EXs and a full art. One of those 2. That's my guess. Pokedex, Haunter, Energy Retrieval, Seal, Magikarp, Electric Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, a Reverse Super Potion, and a regular rare Electrode. Making sure that that's not gonna fall on me. Well, not on me literally, but like, you get it. Come on back, come on. Okay, Charmeleon, Venusaur Spirit Link, Energy Retrieval, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata, Charmander, and a Reverse Charmander, and a regular rare Dugong. Okay, we are back. Just need to clean up the little area there a little bit. Okay, can we get anything else? De-Evolution Spray, Nidorino, Slowbro Spirit Link, Onix, Fairy Energy, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, a Reverse Eradicate, and a regular rare Beedrill. Now I'm going to take them from the back now. Maybe the back is where the hits are. With the rest of the hits anyway. Switch, Magmar, De-Evolution Spray, Diglett, Ghastly, Caterpie, Drowsy, Magikarp, a reverse Blastoise Spirit Link, and a regular rare Dugtrio. Come on, pack. You're open. There you go. Poliwhirl, Brock's Grit, Professor Oak's Hint, Voltorb, Charmander, Diglett, Ghastly, Caterpie, a reverse Haunter, and a holo Gyarados. Yo. That's a pretty sick holo. Pretty sick holo. Anything else? Maybe one or two more EXs, I would say. Pokédex, Porygon, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, a reverse Seal. Oh, it's sticking. And a Pidgeot EX. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 more packs. Oh, I actually wouldn't mind a Raichu holo, actually. There you go. Metapod, Switch, Koffing, Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, a reverse Sandshrew, and a regular rare Mewtwo. We're almost done with the box here. 5 more packs. Well, 4 more. 4 more now. After this one. Metapod. Another Imakuni's The Duo. Really? Haunter, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop, a reverse Voltorb, and a regular rare Raticate. Getting down to the wire. Can we get one more EX? Or maybe, just maybe, a full art. Okay, revive. Oh, here's another one. Here comes Team Rocket. Magmar, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Magnemite, a reverse Weedle. These things are always, I don't know why it's sticking. Yes! Charizard EX! That's all I wanted, was at least some form of Charizard. Now, any other hits that we get, I think it's just a bonus. Okay. Blastoise Spirit Link, Misty's Determination, Poliwhirl, Weedle, Doduo, Staryu, Fairy Energy, Voltorb, a Machop, or Machamp Break. That's pretty sick. And regular rare Dugong. Okay, we have 2 more packs, saving Mr. Charizard for last. Or, I think we probably could get another holo too. If it's gonna be another holo, what, any of the starters actually, or Raichu. Ooh! We got Surfing Pikachu, Misty's Determination, Porygon, Pikachu, Machop, Weedle, Doduo, Staryu, a reverse Ponyta, and a regular rare Farfetch. Okay, here is our last pack of our Evolutions booster box. Let's see what we can get for this last one. But I'm pretty good because we we got one form of the Charizard, so, and a Venusaur and Blastoise. So yeah, we actually got all 3 starters. Revive, Slowbro Spirit Link, Super Potion, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp, Electric Energy, a reverse Nidorino. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking. I don't know why they're sticking. And Dragonite EX4. Yo! See, I told you that any other hit that we get is just a bonus. That is sick. That texture. I hope that the card with the reverse of it being stuck on there, is it gonna be a problem? I don't think it is. Oh, there's a little something up here, it seems like, but other and a little bit right here, but overall it's not in terrible condition. Yo. For our secret rares, we have the Surfing Pikachu. Here comes Team Rocket. And not one, but two Imakuni's Doduos. And these are actually all of the hits that we actually got. Holos, breaks, and ultra rares. That's actually a pretty good stack, actually. Here's the Dragonite EX full art. Oh wait, hold on. Is that... No, it's 106 out of 108. Okay. We have Machop. No, I keep saying Machop. It's Machamp. Break. Pidgeot EX. Gyarados Holo. There you go. Hitmonchan Holo. Ninetales break. Magneton Holo. Charizard EX, which I'm stoked that we pulled a Charizard at all. Venusaur EX. Pidgeot EX full art. Mega Slowbro EX. Mew Holo. Mega Blastoise EX full art. And Mega Blastoise EX. Those are all of our pulls, including the so-called secret rares. So I hope you guys enjoyed this opening. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in the next opening.